Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we did take this sell trade on volatility 10 index on Telegram group. Now a lot of people have been asking me, sir, how did you know that this market was going to sell? So in this video guys and girls, I'm going to share with you my secret strategy, the simplest of all trading strategies I might say, that will help you in one way or another when you're doing your analysis. So first thing, as I've always been saying in all of my videos, make sure you start doing your analysis on the higher time frames. As a day trader, the daily time frame is more than enough for you to be able to make your choice or your trading decisions for that particular day. So ongoing on the daily time frame, first of all, we can see that this market is on a downtrend. As you can see, it's progressively moving in series of lower lows and lower highs to the downside direction, making it technically to be a downtrend market. Now again, since this market is moving on a downtrend, we remind ourselves how the downtrend market moves. This is very crucial because, as I've been always been saying, if you know how the downtrend market moves, then it will be easier for you to know its next step that is going to take. Now on this market, we can see right here, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see right here, after the break of this structure right here to form another lower low, the market was ought to do something like this of a retest to the broken structure before praying out. This is how typically how the downtrend market moves. But we can see the market did not just retest to this point right here and pray out. Instead, it went all the way inside, forming some kind of inside formation before actually praying out. Now it is very tricky for beginner traders to know if the market will actually respect this broken level and retest right here, or will actually come to form some kind of inside formation. So I'm going to use to teach you the easiest way for you to know if this market will retest some kind of this point right here, or it will go even more deeper into the structure. Now, the first thing that you should do is you go to the 1 hour time frame after noticing that the market did some kind of a retest to the market structure. Now, on the 1 hour time frame right here, you can see after the market finally retested to this point right here, what did it do? You cannot know for sure if this market is going to respect this point right here for you to enter your sell trades or not. So what to do is you'll be using the 1 hour time frame to find the shift of the market structure. What's the shift? So what's the shift of the market structure, guys and girls? It is very simple. You can see this market was moving, retesting this point in an uptrend direction. So to know the shift of this market structure is you'll wait until the market breaks this uptrend market's previous lower low of this movement. The shift in the simplest terms, guys and girls, the shift you can say is the change of series. If this market was moving in series of lower lows and lower highs, then once the market starts to form some kind of series of lower lows and lower highs instead of series of higher highs and higher lows, then just know the market did make a shift of the market structure, hence the shift of the market structure. So it is very important, and this shift of market structure, for it to be more legitimate, I can say, always use the 1 hour time frame. Okay, do not try to find the shift and market structure in other time frames, maybe the 15-minute or the 5 minutes. I've always find it to be more effective once you find the shifts on the 1 hour time frame. So this market, as it was retesting to this point right here, as it was retesting, we did not know for sure. We cannot know for sure because the market moves anyhow. So, but we cannot know for sure that this market will eventually turn to this point right here. So we waited until we got a shift of the market right here. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see this shift of the market. High, high, low, high, low, high. The market broke this level right here, providing us the shift of the market structure. This is basically the market telling that, okay, that this market that was going on the uptrend direction, it will not go any more further above. So you should continue with your overall trend direction. And what's our overall trend direction is the direction that we saw on the daily time frame. So what we did is we waited until the market came to retest to this point right here, and this trade was entered on the levels of 63.23 around these levels. right here on a retest, around these levels here on a retest, and the stop loss being just above this, the most recent right here, the most recent uh, lower low of this market right here. And as you can see, it was almost a sniper entry, one might say. The risk was so minimum, and look all the pips that we got on this trade. Just look all the pips and we just got from this trade, and it's approaching TP right now. Only just a few pips and the TP will be hit. Although we have already closed some of the positions, because where this market is going, there's no any but data. I can say there's no any data to back out. There's no any historical data. Hence, we cannot say here is a support. Let exit this trade. For all that we know, this market may continue to go even more below, forming new numbers, new low numbers that they were never been formed below. But here eventually we will take profits right here, and if the market continues to go down, hell, why? We won't regret exiting this trade, because we always know how the market moves in a downtrend, and that is series of lower lows and lower highs. So we'll just wait for a retest and we'll continue to ride this trend. Remember, guys and girls, always keep your trading simple. Once you keep your trading simple, you will succeed. If you keep it complicated, and your results will be complicated. So if you want to join my Telegram group, the link of course can be found in the description below.